Assalamu alaikum. This video about the changing the battery of Toyota Noah X 2017 models remote's battery, which is of course keyless remote. You need to be careful for opening the plastic remote cover cause it is plastic material. When you open the remote plastic cover, you can clear it by toothbrush or like any other brush, and you can use liquid like sanitizer or any cleaner liquid. And of course, you need to replace the battery with the same model, and you can buy the top level model of the battery you have to use. Otherwise, the battery will be dead within 2 or 3 months. Mind it, you have to fit it the rubber content, which is avoid the water or any liquid, the white content, the white plastic like rubber content. Okay, otherwise the water or any liquid can damage your remote motherboard. So when you assemble the remote, you have to fit it point to point the rubbery content. Okay, best of luck. And please subscribe my channel, like Khandakar is my name. Thank you.